Hey, what's up you guys? If you're going to be towing a trailer with your Toyota Highlander, you're going to need trailer wiring. It's required by the law. Let's go ahead and break down that really easy install. You'll need the tools seen here to complete your installation. So we're going to start in the cargo area. We're going to get underneath our driver's side storage tray. This is where our 4-flat harness connector is. We're going to start by pulling up on this flooring, and then we'll remove this floor cover. And then we're going to remove the cover on our driver's side storage tray. Now we're going to remove this right here. Just going to pull back. We'll set that aside. Now to remove our driver's side storage tray, we're going to start by removing this push pin. We're going to use a trim panel removal tool. Now inside our driver's side storage tray, there's 2 plastic nuts that we're going to remove. Ours is missing one, but we're just going to take out the other one. It should just be hand tight, but if it's too difficult, you can use a pair of pliers. Next, we're going to pull up on this panel right here. There's a couple clips underneath that will pop out. And that will give us enough space where we can pull out our storage tray. With our storage tray removed, that gives us access to our harness for our 4-flat. So we'll go ahead and take that and plug it in. So that's all we'll hook up in our cargo area. So let's show you some options on storing your 4-flat harness. You can leave it here in your storage area. You can just leave it in one of these trays and pull it up through the weather seal when you need to use it. Or you can bring it underneath your vehicle and mount it next to your hitch receiver. To do that, we're going to remove this grommet right here. And then we'll take our 4-flat harness and we're going to push it down all the way. Now to reinstall the grommet, we're just going to cut a slit halfway through. And our wiring harness is just going to sit in that slit as we reinstall it. Now we're done in the cargo area, so we'll go ahead and put it back together. Now underneath our vehicle, we're going to mount our 4-flat harness. We're going to bring it up over our bumper support, and we're just going to bring it right here. And we're going to mount it underneath the bumper right here using a 4-flat mounting bracket. This is not included with our kit, but you can pick it up at your closest U-Haul center or at uhaul.com. So we're going to hold it into place, and then using a 3/16 drill bit, we're going to drill our first hole. Then we're going to take our screw and we'll bring it from up top. We'll line up our bracket and secure it with the provided nut. Now we're going to line it up, make sure it's square, and we'll repeat on the other hole. And then we'll tighten it up using a 10mm socket. Now we'll take our dust cover and we'll slide it over our harness. And then we'll put this into the bracket. And then we'll put the dust cover back on. And with our extra slack, we'll just secure it to our bumper support with a zip tie. Now we're going to power up our 4-flat harness. We're going to start by plugging in our converter box underneath our steering wheel. Underneath the steering wheel, located right next to our emergency brake, we have this white connector right here. We're just going to take our plug and we're just going to plug it in. And now we need to ground it. They have a provided stud right here. We're just going to take our white wire with the ring terminal and we're going to slip it on. And then we're going to take an M8 nut and we're going to get it started. And then we'll secure it with a 10mm socket. Now in our red fuse holder, we're going to insert our 10-amp fuse. And then we'll put our cap on. And then using some zip ties, we'll clean it up. Now in the engine compartment, we're going to locate our fuse box and we're just going to pop off the cap. Now we're going to locate our fuse position labeled towing, and we're going to take our provided 10-amp fuse and we're just going to put it into that slot. And then we'll put our cap back on. With our wiring powered up, you're ready to tow a trailer. Thank you for watching our video. If you have any questions about this product, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with a U-Haul Hitch professional, you can visit your closest U-Haul Hitch center, or you can visit us online at uhaulhitches.com. Thank you.